Replay na, quick lang po. Ano po yung pinag-usapan niyo ni Jeto?
Okay, I congratulate him about that boxing event yesterday, Sunday. I really congratulated him, especially na marami palang nag-donate, naubos pala yung mga tickets, kinulang yung tickets. So it was just, it's magnificent. It's a coup actually in terms of public relations. So kasi yung kanyang hangarin is maganda, malinis. Diba? He accepted the challenge of the challenger who was a no-show for a cause. So he turned it into for a cause, a charity boxing event. And pinanindigan niya yung salita niya. So he is a man of his word. So that means it shows his principle.